So today we are going to be going over how to write thesis statements. These are really important because you're going to be writing tons of essays. You could be having arguments or speeches where you're going to have to give a point, and thesis statements are really important for that. So in order to get all the components of an effective thesis statement, I've created the acronym MESS. Writing a thesis statement is a mess. So what would MESS stand for, you may ask? So we have the M up here, making a claim. Essentially what you're doing in a thesis statement is you're creating an argument, you're creating a position. So when you do that, you are making a claim of some sort. So that's M. E, evidence that backs it up. In order to make an effective claim, you have to look at the evidence out there that's going to support it. So you have to have evidence that's going to be able to back up what you are trying to get across to your audience. We have S, specific roadmap. The way you're going to organize your thesis statements are the way you have your body paragraphs set up. So they're going to be chronological. And that way you go boom, boom, boom. And it's really easy to see how your essay is going to flow. Lastly, there's a so what. You have your claim. And your claim is your general statement. But to put it in a world application, you have to say, so what? Like, what is the point of the claim you're trying to make? Why should I care? What is the grand thought that goes along with that? So we have MESS. You're making a claim, you have evidence that's going to back it up, you have a specific roadmap, and then the big so what. So you have a paper in front of you that has an example. I have right here the acronym with everything, and we're going to go through an example together, and we're going to color code them so we know what works. All right, so right here we have attending college is beneficial due to its ability to increase the likelihood of job security, a higher paying salary, and a healthier well-being, justifying the price tag of school. So we are going to dissect this, and we're going to take the pieces to make sure that it does fit all the criteria. So the first thing, making a claim. When we look over here, we have a lot of stuff going on. We have a lot of words being said. Ultimately, when we look at it, we're looking at what are we saying? We are saying that attending college is beneficial. So we're going to take the first color and we're going to highlight it. So we can break it up and we can see that this is the statement that's being made. Perfect. So next, we are looking at evidence that's going to back it up. We want evidence to back it up because how are we proving what we're saying is legitimate? So we have right here, making a claim due to its ability to increase the likelihood of job security, a higher paying salary, and a healthier well-being. From here, we give our reader an idea of exactly what we'll be talking about. We're going to be talking about how college helps with job security. We could be looking at statistics for job security. We have a higher paying salary. We're going to be looking at statistics that prove that you do have a higher salary when you attend college. And lastly, a healthier well-being. So we might have doctor statistics on like healthier hearts and healthier brains and just overall well-being. So we have in our next color, we're going to underline likelihood of job security, a higher paying salary, and a healthy well-being. Perfect. So next, a specific roadmap. By being specific and saying you are increasing the likelihood, we're going to take our next color. So we've used both the blues. We are saying now, specifically, what is it doing? It's increasing something. So we are increasing the likelihood of job security, a higher paying salary, and a healthier well-being. Now, the way you have it worded in this order is how you're going to want to write it when you are writing out your full essay, because it gives the reader a clear and concise idea of boom, boom, boom. This is what's happening, and this is chronological. Lastly, the so what. So we are saying attending college is beneficial for X, Y, Z, and then we have to add the part at the end, because this is the existential idea. So we have justifying the price tag of school. And so we can see here we have all the key components to writing an effective thesis statement.